Did you know how crucial pollinators like bees and butterflies are to our ecosystem? Today, we're embarking on a journey into the world of pollinators, these tireless workers that keep our planet thriving. From the honeybee buzzing in a flower bed, to the butterfly fluttering in the breeze, birds soaring in the sky, and even bats flitting about at twilight, each plays a unique and essential role in the grand tapestry of life. Stay tuned as we dive deeper into the world of these fascinating creatures. So, what exactly do these pollinators do? Well, think of pollinators as the matchmakers of the plant world. They help plants reproduce by carrying pollen from the male parts of a flower to the female parts. This transfer of pollen is essential for the fertilization and growth of many fruits and vegetables we enjoy daily. In fact, pollinators are responsible for 1 out of every 3 bites of food we eat. Now that you understand their role, let's look at why they're so important. Ever wondered why we should care about these tiny creatures? Well, pollinators are not just crucial for our food supply, but they also hold a key role in our entire ecosystem. They support biodiversity, fostering a rich variety of plant life, which in turn provides habitats for diverse wildlife. But here's the catch. Their decline can create a domino effect, impacting the environment and the intricate balance of our ecosystem. As we can see, pollinators are truly the unsung heroes of our ecosystem. So, how can you contribute to protecting these vital creatures? Well, it's simpler than you might think. Start by planting pollinator-friendly plants in your garden. Diversify your flora to attract a variety of these buzzing helpers. Try to avoid using pesticides, which can harm them. Instead, opt for natural pest control methods. Remember, every small step makes a big difference. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more exciting insights into the natural world.